want to create a community that supports each other. Different grind size or the extraction can affect the taste of the coffee, making it highlight the flavor more. Coffee in many ways represents diversity and unity. Some prefer light roast, while some like medium or dark roast. From different country processing methods, different roasting level, to brewing methods, all develop different variety and texture. Everyone has their own preference when it comes to coffee. But despite all, we are all unified by the same medium, by the same little brown beans. And because of that medium, I meet many different faces every day. I want to create a community having different people from different backgrounds comes together, all connected by the same medium. Coffee is art, and art that just needs to be recognized.